Dear students, we are now dealing with Eamcet mathematics, and now we will start new chapter from 1A, 8th chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, let us try to solve 4 questions in this class. See, first question, 1A inverse trigonometric function. First question, Eamcet 1985. See, it depends on model. I am not seeing which year and all. We will take models. Sin inverse 1 by 2 plus cos inverse 1 by 2. Why? Because see, from this question I want to tell one formula to you. That is why I wanted to write this question. Okay. What is the formula? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, this formula we will use. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, both are x. Then we don't see this number. Directly write pi by 2. That means here sin of pi by 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see second question. Tan inverse of 2 plus cot inverse of minus 3 plus cot inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of minus 1 by 2. Like this question is there. Then how to solve this and all, one hint I will tell. Formula and hint both I want to tell. Why? Because see, formula is 2-3 formula will come. First formula I am writing. See, tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse of x. This is one formula, or else reverse, vice versa. Okay, that is one thing. Another thing, okay, tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of x, but whereas cot inverse of minus x, cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Okay? Let us try to solve this. Okay, see what I am doing. This shall I make it as tan inverse 3? Okay? This one, see what I am writing. Tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3. This 1 by 3 cot inverse, but if you reverse it, tan inverse of 1 by 3. 1 by 1 by 3. That means 3. Okay, now go for it. What is it? Plus cot inverse of minus 3 means pi minus cot inverse of 3. This is also, you see, I want to first convert it into cot, then I will convert it. Okay, see what I am writing. Plus cot inverse of minus 2. Tan inverse of minus 1 by 2 means cot inverse of minus 2. Now in the next step I am writing. Okay, see. Tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3 plus pi minus cot inverse of 3 plus pi minus cot inverse of 2. Why? Because minus has made pi minus. Okay, now you see how I am tackling this question. Tan inverse of 2, tan inverse of 3. Plus means tan inverse of 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 3. Okay, pi plus pi, 2 pi minus you take common. Cot inverse of 3 plus cot inverse of 2. Understand? Okay? Now you see, this is tan inverse of 5 by 1 minus 6 minus 5. Okay? Plus 2 pi minus, see, rather than applying cot formula, I will apply tan formula only. I am again reciprocating it. Tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. See, why I have done like this? Why? Because see, tan you can use it easily. Whenever cos a minus comes to it, you please convert it into cot and make it. Okay. Otherwise, you are not going to get this 2 pi. Tan inverse, see 2 pi plus tan inverse of minus 1. Okay. Now you see minus of tan inverse of. Now this bracket is not required. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay? Okay. Shall I write this 2 pi minus tan inverse 1? Yes. Minus tan inverse of, see, 2 plus 3, 5 by 6 by 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. What you are understanding? 2 pi tan inverse of 1, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1, again pi by 4. Understand? Okay. See, 2 pi minus of pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 2. Understand this question? Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 3. Sin inverse of root 3 by 2 plus sin inverse of square root of 2 by 3. That means root 2 by root 3. Okay. See, one formula I want to write. Let us understand first this formula. Okay. See, sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square plus y into square root of 1 minus x square. Okay. This is the formula, but one logic is there here. Directly you cannot take this, even though you take it, but you see, if at all x is greater than 0, but y is less than or equal to 1, and also x square plus y square is greater than 1. X square plus y square. See, observe logically, x should be greater than 0. That means it should be positive. Yes, positive. Y is less than or equal to 1. Y is less than 1. Why? Because 2 is less than 3. That is why less than 1 will come. Okay? But x square plus y square should be greater than 1. I will make it. If this is the case, then what is the formula for this? Same formula is going to make like this. Minus pi minus sin inverse of x into square root of 1 minus y square plus y into square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, same formula we are going to change like this. Okay, now you see, okay, root 3 by 2 is greater than 0. We know this is positive. Now, root 2 by root 3 is less than 1. Not equal to 1 but less than 1. Why? Because root 2 is less than root 3. Okay, now you go for this one. See, x square plus y square means, see, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 is equal to, see, 9 plus 8, 17 by 12. 17 by 12 is greater than 1. Greater than 1. Then you go for pi minus. Then write down. That means, see, I am going for this now. Then sin inverse root 3 by 2 plus sin inverse 2 by 3 under root is equal to pi minus sin inverse of, okay, sin inverse of root 3 by 2 into square root of 1 minus y square 2 by 3. Right? Root going to get cancelled out. Plus y root 2 by root 3 into square root of 1 minus x square 3 by 4. Okay? Write down. Then as per this formula, pi minus sin inverse of, okay, you see, 3 minus 2, 1 by 3 1 by root 3. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 3. 3 minus 2, 1 by 3, but under root. 1 by root 3. Okay. Plus. Here also you see. Root 2 by root 3 into 4 minus 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Why? Because root 4 is 2. Okay? That is equal to pi minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 6. See, root 3 to that again, so 1 by 2 and 1 by root 6. Okay, see here, 2 root 3 is LCM. Then you take LCM, root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 by 2 root 3. 2 root 3, 2 root 3 plus is there. You take LCM, root 3 plus root 2. Like that you take that. Okay? Don't cancel out it. Then this is the answer. Okay? See, unless this condition is there, then you are going to get only this one. If you do it separately. But when this condition is there, then pi minus you have to make. Let us go for next. Okay, see, question number 4. Eamcet 2001 question. Secant square of tan inverse 2 plus cosecant square of cot inverse 3 is equal to how much, like that. Okay, first observe carefully how I am tackling this. Tan inverse 2 means. See here, one diagram I am writing here. Okay. See, theta alpha and all I am not writing. Why? Because see, this is the theta angle, like I am keeping like this. Okay, here this angle based on this value. See, tan theta means opposite by adjacent. 2 is there means shall I take 2 by 1? If that is the case, then what is hypotenuse? 2 square plus 1 square under root. 4 plus 1 under root 5. This is tan inverse 2 case. Cot inverse 3 case. Okay, now what is cot? Tan means opposite by adjacent. Cot means adjacent by opposite. That means 3 by 1. Then what about hypotenuse? 3 square plus 1 square under root. 9 plus 1 under root 10. Okay? Okay. Now you see, here secant is there. Then you convert it into secant. Here cosecant is there. Then you convert it into cosecant. That's all. Okay? Right now then. Based on this, what you can write? Secant square of secant. Secant theta, see, cos theta means 1 by root 5. Secant theta means root 5 by 1. Secant inverse root 5. Okay? This square shall I write like this? Secant square. Here x you are giving, finally secant x whole square. Secant square. Plus cosecant. See, sine means 1 by root 10. Cosecant means root 10 by 1. Cosecant inverse root 10. This is also square is there. Don't forget. Okay? Now you tell me secant inverse shall I cancel? Yes. Then root 5 square. Plus cosecant inverse cosecant shall I cancel? Yes. Root 10 square. Root 5 square is 5 plus root 10 square is 10. That is equal to 15. Understand? Okay? Now we will stop. We will do another 4 questions in next video. Thank you very much.